everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new salad sandwich prep tables. This is going to be a 47-inch mega prep table, okay? As you can see, this is our company brand Cooler Depot. It is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. I'm going to measure the exterior. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length. We're looking at a total of 47 inches. 47. Front to back. You're looking at a total of 34 inches front to back. And the overall height for this prep table, you're looking at a total of about 45.5 inches. 45.5. Now, the prep table does have casters installed already, so it makes it easier for use. Measurements on those casters, you're looking at a total of 5 inches of the height. Also, cutting board is provided for this prep table. Measurements on the cutting board, you're looking at a total of 8 inches. 8 inches. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the lid and show you the inside. On the inside, we'll locate our pans, which will be provided for this prep table. You have a total of 18 pans for this unit, which are going to be the 1/6 pans. Okay, so those are provided, and you can see them already installed or located on the inside for the prep table. Okay, now I want to also show you the back of the unit so you can see your plug as well as controller. Okay, so on the back we can locate our plug over here. It is a standard US plug, runs on that 110 volt. Also, we have our controller. This is once the unit is on and running, you can see your temperature on there, and you can also set your temperature on that same controller. Okay, now let's go back to the front of the unit. I want to go ahead and show you the inside. They are going to be automatic closing doors as well. You have 2 doors. And we're going to go ahead and open up both, show you the inside. As you can see on the inside, we have shelves that are provided. You have one on each side. You also have a thermometer over here on the inside, so it'll let you know temperature on the inside. You also have a sticker on the other side with all the specs regarding this prep table as well as certification. Okay, so you can locate all that on the inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside front to back. You're looking at a total of about 17 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 43 inches, 43. And the overall height on the inside, you're looking at a total of 24 inches. Okay, so those are your measurements for the inside of this prep table. As I mentioned, this is a 47-inch mega prep table. 47-inch mega prep table. If you're interested in one of these units, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.